प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो। आज की वीडियो में बहुत ज़्यादा धांसू किस्म की एक्टिंग होने में, लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो। हम आपको मिलते हैं वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। यू आई नो दिस, I have ever prayed to the God given shape with somebody for good looking as me and God send his.
Thank you.
I think you are made for each other. Dance so simple. You are good looking. Together we meet. I have a question.
What?
Are you a prompt for you?
Sure.
Mango are yellow. Tomatoes are red. Mangoes are yellow. Tomatoes are red. Hey baby, will you like my teeth?
प्यारी समझ गई।
Stop lying to me.
I'm not laughing at you.
You are laughing at me. You are just I'm bad when you are laughing.
तेरे को पता नहीं है लेकिन तू है।
I'm laughing at my friend.
Why are you making the matching one mistake?
It's really nice actually.
It's really nice. I know. And it's short for me. Where are you from?
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know?
No.
Do you want me to the light one? Do you want to marry you?
Yeah, I really want to. I don't know if I am.
I am Lou. You look a prince. The Marisa is like the prince. You know? Are you doctor by
No,
the
I'm
way?
a teacher.
You're a teacher. Oh my God! I'm gonna tell you. Do you want if you are a doctor? I will never doctor you. Doctor
Because
you know.
after they keep doctor away.
And I the what is the way you say that? How old are you?
35.
क्या 35
I'm damn. You are with a meal.
Yeah, I have 3 kids.
You are 3 kids. I have a 3 little more. Just a little joke. Do you say that my mustache like?
Yeah.
You are fab. I gifted to you. This is for you, my side. You know what's my name?
No, I don't.
No, I tell you, my name is Royal Mong. My name is Habil. I don't you remember? Next trip at night. I think are you falling for
Of
me?
course.
That's what I think. I know it. Right. My mustard. I wear it again. My beautiful lady, you are looking in the man.
That's it.
The mustard, that's it. And when you kiss me, fall my hair so lower. Don't off the line. Hi. Where from?
UK.
Can I ask you something? Can you scan me? Me. No. You are from a D. Yeah, you are from a D. Yeah, but I'm gonna give you a You know you like us the Instagram post.
Why?
Because you are a coaster, you are online. You are just a surely magician, but why? Because you are a moving thing in me without any teacher touching me. ऐसा बदलने लगता है मोतिया बिन का ऑपरेशन हुआ है तो चश्मा लगा के घूम रहा।
पिक्चर देखने गए थे वहां से चुरा के लिया।
Not bad, not bad. Now you.
दोस्तों पिक्चर देखने गया था, चश्मा उड़ा दिया 3D वाला है।
भाई चला दे आज समझ ले रोजी और मेरी कहोगे वो पक्का।
क्या क्या मतलब लड़की चाहिए या
अबे
लड़का?
गधे लड़की चाहिए।
भाई फुल रोस्ट बोलते।
Hello, what's up?
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. Where are you from?
Turkey.
Do you like Billie Eilish?
Yes, I do.
Oh my God! I want hug you, Billie Eilish.
Me too.
Where are you so much in common?
Yeah, we're such a best
We are best friends. I really should be dead.
Yes, we should like a best friend.
Just for me, but I love all the force.
Everyone is my friend and only friend.
Say that again, just friend. I'm on a for this friend for you. Really love your I fall for me.
Shoot me.
No. I won't shoot my kids inside her. So, do you want find my friend?
You're my friend, yes.
Say I love you.
I love you, my friend.
I say just my.
I love you, my friend.
So guys, I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर वीडियो थोड़ा सा पसंद आए, लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो. हम आपको मिलते रहेंगे ऐसी न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो. लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो. तो जो न्यू आज में बहुत ज़्यादा थे कि बहुत ज़्यादा शूटिंग करी, लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दो. हम आपको मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए ओके बाय.